Sally Morin, San Francisco personal injury attorney. Thanks for tuning in to my video series of the top 5 tricks that insurance adjusters play in personal injury cases. Right now this video is about trick number 3. The third trick is that insurance adjusters will try to trick you into giving them private information so that they can share it with the entire insurance industry. While the insurance adjuster is trying to convince you that she's your buddy and there to help you and rushing you through the process, she's going to also try and get private information from you. She's going to convince you that you need to provide certain information so that she can properly evaluate your claim. Lately, a real popular tactic is for them to say that they can't settle your case or write you a settlement check until they confirm certain private information. I have to hand it to them. They're genius. It's like they dangle the money in front of you and then they say, whoa, hold on. We have to get a couple last details before I can give you this check. Well, 2 of the most common items that insurance adjusters will ask for, and they'll say it's mandatory to evaluate your claim, is your social security number and your full medical history. Okay? They may also ask you for your employment records if you're making a loss of earnings claims, but you need to understand that these requests may seem harmless and related to your case, but if you look at them more closely, they're not harmless at all. Firstly, providing your full social security number is never required for settlement. The insurance adjuster may try and mention something about Medicare or some other legal requirement that they have to get your social security number in order to settle the case. However, as of the date of filming of this video, there's absolutely no legal basis for insurance companies to collect your full social security number. The real reason they want to collect your social security number is so they can put you in their insurance database. Okay, check out my blog about all the details about the devious tactics they use to get your social security number and what they do with it. Okay. The second thing insurance adjusters will try and get from you is your full medical records and all your employment records if you're making a loss of earnings claim. You might say, hey Sally, didn't you tell us that we need to turn over all the documents to prove our physical injuries to make a claim? You know, wouldn't that include my medical and my employment records? Well, you do need to provide evidence of your claim, but you do not need to provide access to all of your medical records or all of your medical history, okay? The typical medical authorization that these insurance companies use will give them access to your full medical history and your employment history, not just the medical records that are related to your case. So, you do not want to open this floodgate, and they're not entitled to all these records. So if they're getting away with getting your full medical file, then they can share this on their insurance database, and then should you ever be involved in another personal injury claim, they'll have all this information at hand. The same goes for your employment records. So you want to watch out and make sure you're turning over only documents relevant to your injuries and your loss that you're claiming. Alright, well, thanks for watching my video series, and stay tuned for the rest of the videos. I've got a couple more coming up. If you have a serious injury case and you need to talk to my team, go ahead, give us a phone call, click on the yellow banner on our website. We're happy to help. Another thing, why don't you subscribe to my YouTube channel? Okay, stay tuned.